Sydney, you've been wanting to come to me for a long time. I believe there's something that you wish to discuss with me.
Yeah. So today I've come for a family member, not for me, not for any issue that we need to discuss.
Right.
So it is for a teenage boy in my family. So his name is Rahul.
Okay.
He's I think 17 years or something.
Okay.
So I'll tell you the complete story.
Sure.
What started to happen.
Sure.
So initially he used to lie, but then we got to know maybe he's lying just because to avoid uncomfortable situations or something that he has done or something that has occurred and he don't just want us to know. So we just let it go. Chalo koi baat nahi, he's young and everything happens and it's fine. So, but then what keep on happening was he started lying continuously, very frequent, and the other person would know that he is lying,
Okay.
but he'll just not stop lying.
Uh-huh.
So, and actually, he's a very great, storyteller, I would say, when he's lying, not otherwise.
Yeah.
So he'll portray a great picture of his lie. वो पूरा डिक से बताता है, complete detail and full drama and everything into the lie. And if you confront, whatever you're saying is you're lying, so he'll be so aggressive, completely enraged. Ki how you're not believing me that this happened and you people never believe me and all that then the teenage aggression comes. So now it's very frustrating at times and how to deal with such people. And then what actually started happening was lying was okay, but then lying also into he used to show victim of himself. So he used to play that kind of a story and tell us that kind of a story in which he used to play as a victim. So he used to victimize himself just to maybe gain attention or maybe to be a hero of the story or something like that. So initially we thought कि चलो teenage boy है, हो सकता है कि मतलब कुछ issues होंगे, maybe peer pressure or something like that. So everybody understood कि चलो it's okay. But then this condition was now it is for more than 6 months.
I see. So let me get you straight, Subi. जो मैंने समझने की कोशिश करी कि आपका relative है, 17 साल का है, and he has become a compulsive liar. मतलब वो इतना बोलता है और झूठ बोलता है, जैसे आपने कहा कि स्टोरीज बनाता है, बहुत कुछ उसके बारे में बात करता है जो is not real. So he's making stories and he's telling the family the stories. और आप लोग अब इससे इतना परेशान हो चुके हैं कि आपको लगता है कि now you need to see a specialist and you need to see a therapist.
Yeah, maybe we need to see somebody, how to cope with such people.
Yes.
कि उनके साथ तो क्या होता है ना कि वो तो अपनी क्योंकि he knows कि there is no benefit about lying.
Right.
तो उनको बस एक habit हो गई है अभी lie करने का कि कुछ भी you just say something and he'll just give you a lie of that.
Right.
And even you try stopping him, he won't. Then of course aggression comes in.
Right.
And it's very difficult for his mother. So he don't.
I can understand.
Yeah. So his father passed away when he was very young.
I see.
So he only has mother. So it's very difficult for her to cope with such a boy and his lying and all the stories. और stories में ऐसा भी नहीं होता है कि मतलब he don't remember much of detail of what he has said earlier. So उनकी जो stories भी होती हैं, so the stories हैं they are not also very consistent.
Right.
So पहले कुछ बोलेंगे,
Yeah.
फिर कुछ बोलेंगे. So and then of course the other person would know that he is lying, but he will not accept it.
Sure.
So acceptance तो कुछ है ही नहीं about lying.
Right.
कि नहीं मैं तो झूठ नहीं बोल रहा. How can you say that I'm lying?
So what you're trying to say is he's always in a denial.
Yes.
Now I can just want to tell you something about what a pathological liar is. We term it as a pathological liar.
Okay.
What happens is a pathological lying में क्या होता है? Pathological lying, also known as mythomania or pseudologia fantastica, is a chronic behavior of compulsive and habitual lying. तो ये कई दफा जैसे आपने मुझे बताया कि फादर की डेथ हो गई थी बहुत पहले और उसकी वजह से could be a trauma. एक किसी traumatic event से जो वो गुजरा तो उसको ये लगने लगा कि मेरी बात अब कोई समझ नहीं रहा है, कुछ सुन नहीं रहा है. So he makes great stories so that it becomes very convincing. जैसे आपने कहा कि वो एक सेल्फ पिटी मोड में आ गया है, उसकी सेल्फ एस्टीम बहुत लो हो गई है, तो जस्ट टू गेट अट्रैक्शन ऑफ पीपल कि कैसे लोग जो है उसकी तरफ देखें, उसकी बात सुने, he has become a good storyteller. Is that right?
Yeah, I think so. Look, what you are saying, it's perfectly maybe matching to
Right.
his situation.
Okay.
लेकिन प्रॉब्लम ये होती है कि अगर चलो मे बी दिस इज समथिंग आई नो बट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट दैट हाउ डू यू आइडेंटिफाई सच पीपल
Right.
सो आइडेंटिफिकेशन कैसे आएगा कि दिस पर्सन इज सफरिंग
Right.
फ्रॉम पैथोलॉजिकल लाइंग
Yes.
और हैविंग दिस कंपल्सिव हैबिट ऑफ जस्ट लाइंग ऑल द टाइम
Yes. No, I can understand that. देखो बहुत सारे सिम्टम्स होते हैं, जैसे मैंने कहा सेल्फ एस्टीम बहुत लो हो जाती है और the person is trying to get attention to himself, you know. He is often looking for sympathy, like you said that he lost his father very young. So he is looking from sympathy from people, you know.
Okay.
And that is why he is telling stories that so that people get attracted to him and give him that sympathy or empathy that he is looking for, you know. It can also be a very elaborate and detailed story. Does he say that?
Yes,
बहुत
yes,
लंबी
he-
चौड़ी कहानी सुना देगा.
लंबी चौड़ी है बिल्कुल ही पेंट द पिक्चर लाइक nobody else have ever heard of it.
Okay. And story के different versions भी होते हैं.
Of
कभी
course.
कुछ कहेगा, कभी कुछ
You won't
कहेगा.
remember ना कि पहले क्या झूठ बोला था और अभी how to live that झूठ.
Right,
So
right.
he'll lie another thing.
Right, right,
So वो
right.
pile up तो होता ही रहता है. So
Correct.
it
कभी
is-
कुछ कभी कुछ.
Yeah.
So he's saying different things at different times,
Right.
and he does not remember what.
No.
So these are typical signs or symptoms
Okay.
of a pathological liar. You know, it is a mental illness, I will call it, or it is a disease that he is going through, and he does not know. It is an obsession. It is like an OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder. It is again a branch of that. You know, that he does not know that he's become a compulsive liar. You know. So he's becoming a compulsive liar again and again. उस बात को बार-बार दोहरा रहा है और अपने आप पे attention seek कर रहा है. Now, how do you think that you will like to cope with it? हमने बहुत सारी बातें कर ली कि भाई compulsive lying क्या होती है, pathological liar क्या होता है और compulsive liar क्या होता है. So pathological का मैंने आपको एक definition दी, but compulsive liar is what I can see the teenager boy
Yeah.
has gotten.
The problem is that only because see everybody is busy and he just has his mom, so his mom is also very frustrated all the time of his lying and confrontation to कोई point ही नहीं है, then the aggression and everything, and maybe due to whatever reasons he's so coping is something that I would definitely want to know about how to cope with such
Right.
issues
Right.
in the person.
तो ये होता क्या है कि कई दफा हम लोग इतना परेशान हो जाते हैं और उस बात को बार-बार सुन के कि हम अपनी we start to lose our temper. वो चीज जो है वो बहुत खतरनाक है क्योंकि होगा क्या, वो एग्रेशन इतना बढ़ जाएगा उसका कि वो फिर हम उसको काबू नहीं कर पाएंगे. So I can understand as a caregiver it is very frustrating कि भाई वो हमको दिख रहा है कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है, साफ सफेद झूठ बोल रहा है, फिर भी हम उसको जैसे कन्फ्रंट करते हैं वो और एग्रेसिव हो जाता है.
कभी-कभी तो आप नहीं रोक पाते ना, you know that the person is lying, तो क्या बोलोगे? अरे I know that you are lying, just stop lying.
Right. So I can understand it gets very frustrating.
Yeah.
Is that what you're trying to say?
Right, absolutely.
बार-बार उसी बात को कहते हुए, but somewhere you need to be supportive and kind and firm also. You know, the family has to understand कि उसको एक दफा ये फीलिंग आ जाए कि ये लोग मेरे दुश्मन नहीं हैं, ये मेरे दोस्त हैं. So first thing that we need to do is to be supportive to them. Yet we need to be kind to them कि हाँ भाई हम तुम्हारी बात समझ रहे हैं और हम उसको कुछ करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. But yet very important thing is that we need to be very firm with them also. कि देखो तुम जो कह रहे हो हमने सुन लिया, लेकिन तुम इस बात को बार-बार दोहराओगे नहीं. तुम उसी बात को बार-बार दोहरा रहे हो, उसी कहानी को तुम different वर्जन से हमें सुना रहे हो. So we need to somewhere put a stop to it, put a pause button. तुम थोड़ा सा सोचो समझो, but we will listen to you, we are kind to you, we understand you. But somewhere you also need to understand that you cannot have this compulsive behavior of making up stories and telling us. So you have to be firm, you have to be kind, and you have to be supportive. Yeah. So would you like to say something on that?
Yeah, I think that actually give us the sense of how to maybe deal. क्योंकि क्या होता है मैम कि जब आपके अराउंड ऐसा कुछ हो रहा था, so of course it's very natural of a person to feel angry about and to be very frustrated. He's always lying and what not to do of his life. So अभी कभी-कभी ऐसा हो जाता है कि frustration में आप चिल्लाने लग जाते हो and you also become very aggressive. उससे क्या होता है, even the environment of the family.
Yes, सारे घर का जो atmosphere है सब खराब हो जाता है.
Yeah, right, absolutely.
Right. Another thing is to accept denial. देखिए वो बार-बार ये बात कहेगा कि मैं जो कह रहा हूँ सच कह रहा हूँ, मैं गलत नहीं कह रहा हूँ, मैं जो आपको समझा रहा हूँ. I can understand how frustrating it is, So we have to accept it, कि हाँ ये जो कह रहा है, वो कह रहा है कि मैं गलत नहीं कह रहा हूँ, लेकिन हमें भी accept करना पड़ेगा कि हमें पता है कि जो कह रहा है वो गलत है. Yes.
क्योंकि डिनायल उसकी तरफ से तो इट्स कंप्लीट डिनायल ऑफ द
Yes.
लाइन, वो तो नहीं मानता है कि आई एम लाइंग, हाउ कैन यू से दैट आई एम लाइंग?
Absolutely, yes. So he's again and again telling you stories, and yet he's saying that you have to be convinced.
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
मैं कह रहा हूँ वो सही कह रहा हूँ.
Yeah.
Yeah, which is true. Be supportive, like I said in the beginning also, Surbhi, कि it is difficult, it is very frustrating, you get angry about yourself,
Yeah.
but it is you have to be supportive to them, and they have to understand that you are there with them. जो वो कह रहे हैं, they need to try and understand, and they try to impress you. They are trying to say that look, whatever I'm saying is right. Why aren't you believing me? But it is very important to be supportive to them at that point of time. Also, don't engage with them. When you notice that the person is lying, don't engage with them. It is very difficult, but it is very important. You can question what they are saying, which may encourage them to stop the lie at that point of time. Right? So you can let them know that you don't want to continue the conversation when they are being dishonest. So somewhere they need to understand कि जब हम गलत बोल रहे हैं, जब हम कहानी गढ़ रहे हैं, तो हम पकड़े जा रहे हैं. Somewhere the other person is able to understand कि ये जो कह रहा है वो सही नहीं है. So that is the point when you can stop them and tell them that look what you're telling me. We know it's not right. Though I'm there with you in this situation, but you have to accept कि हम इस बात को यहीं खत्म कर लें, इसको हम आगे ना बढ़ाएं.
Okay.
Yeah. And I just suggest mental health. That is again very very important. Would you like to say something about the previous thing? Like I said, accepting them.
So yeah, these things actually you don't somehow think about them. क्योंकि आप भले आपको सब चीजें पता होती हैं and everything is going in your mind,
Right.
लेकिन जब आपके साथ सिचुएशन हो रही होती है,
Correct.
then ये सब चीजें आना इसका कभी-कभी बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है.
Right.
So maybe I would definitely bring his mother to you, and
Yes.
maybe she'll able to explain it much better and how she feels, because of course somehow even the family जिनके साथ ऐसा हो रहा है, जिनका कोई family member है, they also need some kind of
Absolutely.
reassurance.
जो आप कह रहे हो बिल्कुल ठीक कह रहे हो सुरभि. It is the caregiver
Yeah.
that needs support to be able to support the person who's going
Yes,
through it.
absolutely, absolutely. क्योंकि caregiver का stress इतना ज़्यादा हो गया है, and he's putting up with all those lies all the time, and आपको पता है कि he's lying, and still he cannot do anything.
Absolutely.
So his mother is also very just so anxious all the time. She's all stressed out. उनको इतना ज़्यादा burnout हो गया है अभी. So I definitely bring
Yes,
his
it's very
mother.
important
Yeah.
to bring the parent and
Yeah.
then the child.
Yeah.
Parent को लाना भी बहुत जरूरी है.
And
तो
child
जैसे हमने
also.
डिस्कस किया था कि caregivers को भी care चाहिए.
Of course.
And once they are looked after, they will be able to in turn support the child. जब तक कहते हैं ना, जब हम ट्रैवल करते, जब हम मास्क अपने लगाएंगे, तभी हम अपने बच्चे को लगाएंगे.
Right.
So it's very important for them to wear a mask, for them to get healed, to be able to take care of the sibling, of the child, who's going through this difficulty.
Right.
Now the treatment will depend on whether or not the pathological lying is a symptom of an underlying psychiatric disorder.
Okay.
Some pathological lying may result from a mental condition, such as antisocial personality disorder, sometimes called sociopathy, while others appear to have no medical reason for the behavior. तो दो तरह के हैं. इनको किसी को sociopathy है, they have a social behavior problem, but the others may not have that. So once the person comes in, we are able to distinguish does he have an antisocial personality disorder or he is a compulsive liar.
Okay.
तो दो चीजें हैं, हमें देखना है कि भाई mental health उसकी है, प्रॉब्लम है उसकी, तो we need to take him or her to a psychiatrist, or going to a psychologist or a therapist would help him. So both the things can happen together. A treatment would include psychotherapy, like I said, and also include medications if needed, if there is a disorder, and it might be such as drugs and treatment for anxiety and depression. When you go to a therapist, a person is able to understand there's anxiety and depression.
Okay.
But if there is need for medical treatment, one needs to take him or her, take him in this case, to a psychiatrist.
Okay. If the medication is
If medication is necessary.
Okay. So further assessment needs to be done.
Yes, absolutely. We need to establish that does he have a medical condition,
Okay.
or we can deal with him with therapy and psychotherapy.
Okay. If the medication is not very
Not required.
Okay. That sounds fair enough. I guess.
Yes.
Because it's very difficult, कि आपको तो cause नहीं पता चल पाता है. So maybe a professional might help. See,
Yes, in this case, since you said that he had lost his father very early,
Hmm.
so that attention seeking is there for him. और attention seeking के लिए he is telling stories. तो वो कहानियाँ गढ़ रहा है जिससे कि लोग उसके पास आए, उससे बात करें, you know, which he is not getting it otherwise. So somewhere that lack of attention is
So
what
that
is driving.
could also be because, like I said, he lost his father very early. Then his mother is of course working.
Yes.
Important. The family is also important.
Right.
So somehow maybe the child is alone.
Right.
So I understand the things that you have actually told. That has actually given a wider view to the problem and what the solutions could be. So I'm actually very thankful that I came in here and we talked about it. So it will be very beneficial for the family of that person and the mother, and of course I think his mother would also need some kind of help.
Yes. Yes.
Because she's also having some issues on her own
Absolutely.
self also.
Absolutely. You know, I'm more than willing to have that.
I'm really very thankful to you, ma'am, for taking up this session and for me coming here and discussing it with you. So it has, of course, given a very wide view of the problem and what could be the solutions of it.
Right.
So we're very thankful. Thank you so much for seeing me again.
You're welcome, Sunil. You're always welcome to be coming.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.